Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Empty Armchair. And today is a very, very special day for us because today is packing day. So we are getting ready to go on Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas on a 13-night Panama Canal cruise. We've been planning it for the last 2 years, and we are so excited because neither of us has ever been on one, and it's just going to be spectacular. So we will be flying out next Saturday to Tampa, and we will be spending 2 days in Tampa before we board the ship on April 8th, which is actually going to also be the Great American Solar Eclipse Day. So I'm hoping that we'll have a little bit of fun with the solar eclipse and be able to show you a bit of that. We've got our sunglasses, our special glasses, and I've actually got a filter that's for the phone, so we'll see how that goes. But first thing we have to do is we have to pack. So most of today will be spent on doing that. Today is actually Saturday, March 30th. We will be flying out Saturday, April 6th to Tampa, and then we board the ship on Monday, April 8th. So I'm really looking forward to having a bunch of new videos, a brand new series, brand new playlist for you with all of the videos that are going to go with this Panama Canal cruise. And I cannot tell you how incredibly excited I am right now. I love packing day because it just brings the cruise that much closer, and it means it's really happening. So one of the things that I am going to do is show you some of my number one cruise essentials that I take with me on all my cruises. And I've got some new things I'm going to be trying out this year, but I have a lot of things that I have tried out a few years, some things I've been using for many years that I think you might find helpful, not just for cruise vacations, but for any vacation. So I will put the links to each of the items that I will show you in the description box below. But in the meantime, if you are interested in following along on this journey with us to the Panama Canal, I really ask that you would like and subscribe to this video and to my channel. If you hit the little notification bell, it will tell you every time that I load a new video up to YouTube. And if you subscribe to the channel, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does let YouTube know that my content is something that people are interested in, and then they'll let other people know about it. So it would really help me and my channel if you would subscribe, because 99% of my viewers do not subscribe to my channel. So I really would appreciate it if you would do so. So anyway, I have a lot to do today, and I will show you along the way what I'm doing, what I'm using, and I might also put some video within this when I'm on board the ship, because there is so much that I do need to do today, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see what goes on today. Anyway, thanks. Bye. So one of the first things that I always pull out, and I am absolutely addicted to, are packing cubes. I absolutely love packing cubes. It makes it so much easier to pack your clothes. And I got these two for my last cruise, and there's just a tremendous amount of cubes in each one of these. This one here, the one with all of the beautiful passport stamps, is actually a compression packing cube set. And oh my gosh, this thing has been phenomenal and has helped me so much with the packing that I did for the Royal Princess trip to Hawaii last year. And I just absolutely love it. Now, I also still need a bit more. So this set here is a larger set. And I actually got this set for Pam a couple of years ago with a different pattern. They have a ton of different patterns, and absolutely love it. There is, I think, 8 or 9 different packing cubes in there, but look how compactly it all comes down to. I'm going to be packing all of this into these packing cubes and more, because that's just my pants and shirts and a couple of dresses and stuff. I still have a bunch of other things that are going to go into those packing cubes. So anyway, let's get started. So I wanted to show you everything that comes in the Pinky Peachy set. So that's the main one that I showed you earlier that had everything in it. So it also comes with all of these other wonderful cubes. And some of them are big, some of them are small. You've got, it actually comes with a laundry bag. That's what this long one is. And of course you've got a shoe bag here. And then here's another of the pouches. And then here's a smaller pouch, but that's everything that comes in that one set. And I think it's an incredible deal. And they're just wonderful. They're very well made and they hold a bunch of clothes. So if you're looking for some packing cubes, this is a great set to get. And again, they have a ton of different colors. So this is the compression set, and as you can see, this was the pouch that I showed you earlier, and this is what is inside. So these are smaller than the ones that I showed you of the pink, but these ones are extra compression, which I really like a lot. And this one here is a good size, and it has 2 sides to it. So you can put stuff on one side and put stuff on the other side. So maybe you want to keep your dirty clothes separate from maybe some clean clothes. You could do that and put one on one side and one on the other side. But these ones are really nice because they press down so incredibly well. But I really enjoyed using these last time for the Princess Cruise, and I'm looking forward to being able to use them with this cruise as well.